My name is Marianto Tai. The title topic is Omed Omedan, Unique Ritual to Bind the Sasetan, Community of Familiarity. The Omed Omedan tradition, which is a ritual of hugging and tagging alternately between two groups of young people, which is routinely held every year on the first day after Nyepi. According to one of the senior leaders from Sasetan village, A. Gusti Ngura Okaputra, Omed Omedan is thought to have existed since the 17th year century and continues to this day. Once upon a time in the past, this tradition was abolished. However, suddenly in the middle of the village, two wild boars appeared, fighting each other. The people of Sasetan village consider this a bad omen. Seeing this sign, the village elders immediately called back the young people to gather and hold Omed Omedan as usual. After that incident, this tradition was held regularly in an effort to avoid the village from catastrophe. In this tradition, local youth are grouped into two groups, namely the male group and the female group. Before the ritual begins, all participants attend a prayer ceremony together at Banjar Temple. Through this collective prayer, the participant asks for cleanliness of the heart and fluency in carrying out the Omed Omedan ritual. After the prayer ritual, a performance of the Barong Bangkok dance is performed, which is intended to recall the two wild boar fighting in this village. The two groups line up face to face, guided by the traditional police. Then, one person from each group was selected in turn to be appointed and paraded to the front of the line. The two groups then collided with each other, and the two young people who were positioned at the very front had to hug each other. When the two of them hug each other, each group will pull the two partners apart from each other. If the two young people cannot be released, the committee will douse them with water until they are soaked. When a young couple meets each other and hugs each other tightly, there are times when they will bump into each other, cheeks, foreheads, and even lips. In the past, the people of Sasetan only saw the Omed Omedan tradition as part of the Masima Karma or Dharma Santi between fellow citizens. Over time, this tradition has turned out to be a special attraction for tourists. Realizing this, the local community, the Pikizet, the Omed Omedan tradition as a new annual cultural heritage festival with the title Omed Omedan Cultural Heritage Festival. Thank you.